All of you, good morning. In this video, we are going to discuss plus 2 chemistry lesson number 11 hydroxy compounds and ethers is this lesson. This video include ethers and types of ethers, preparation of ethers and properties of ethers and uses of ethers. Before entering this video, subscribe this channel. First topic, ethers. What is ethers? An organic compound having general formula RO or are called as a ethers. R is a alkyl or aryl group. That means oxygen is connected with two alkyl or two aryl groups are called as a ethers. Ethers are a class of organic compound in which an oxygen atom is connected to two alkyl or two aryl or one alkyl or one aryl group is called as a ethers. Next one is a classification of ethers. Based on the alkyl group, ethers are classified into two types. One is a simple ether. Next one is a mixed ether. Simple ether or symmetrical ether. In simple ether, two alkyl or two aryl groups are same are called as a simple ether. Both the alkyl or aryl group attached to oxygen atom are same are called as a simple ether. Example, diethyl ether. Next one is a dimethyl ether. Next one is a diphenyl ether. Are example for symmetrical or simple ether. Next one is a mixed ether. In mixed ether, both the alkyl group or aryl groups are different are called as a mixed ether. Both the alkyl or aryl group attached to oxygen atoms are different are called as a mixed ether. Example for mixed ethers is ethyl methyl ether and methyl phenyl ether. Next one is a structure of functional group. The structure of ether oxygen which is attached to alkyl group is sp3 hybridization. Hybridization is a intermixing of atomic orbital. That means 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital combined to form a 4 sp3 hybridized orbital. 2 sp hybridized orbital of oxygen linearly overlap with 2 alkyl group. The COC bond angle is slightly greater than the tetrahedral bond angle due to the repulsive interaction between the two bulkier alkyl or aryl group. So bond angle of COC bond angle is 111.7 degree. Next one is a IUPAC naming of ethers. First common name, CH3 is a methyl group. This is one methyl group. This is one methyl group. Common name of ether is ended with ether. Two methyl group is present, so common name of this compound is dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Second one, CH2CH3. This is ethyl group. Two ethyl group is present, so common name is diethyl ether. C6H5 is phenyl group, so common name of this compound is two phenyl group is present, so common name of this compound is diphenyl ether. Diphenyl ether. This is methyl group, this is phenyl group. According to alphabetical order, M is a first written first, methyl phenyl ether. Next one, this is ethyl group, this is phenyl group. According to alphabetical order, ethyl phenyl ether. Next one, this is methyl group, this is isopropyl group. So IUP common name of this compound is isopropyl methyl ether. Next one is a IUPAC naming. One of the methyl group is joined with the oxygen. That means IUPAC name of ether is alkoxyalkane. That means alkyl, one of the smallest alkyl group joined with the oxygen. So alkoxyalkane is IUPAC name of ethers. CH3O is a methoxy group. Remaining one carbon is present. So methoxymethane. Methane. Next one of the ethyl group is joined with the oxygen, so ethoxy, remaining two carbon is present, so ethoxyethane. C6H5O is a phenoxy group. One of the in benzene, one of the hydrogen is replaced by phenoxy group. So phenoxybenzene. Phenoxybenzene. C6H6, one of the hydrogen in benzene, one of the hydrogen is replaced by methoxy group. So name of this compound is methoxybenzene. Next one, ethyl group joined with oxygen, ethoxy group. So ethoxybenzene. Ethoxybenzene. Next one, 1, 2, 3 carbon is present. So second position is a methoxy group is present. So 2-methoxy. 3 carbon is present. So propane. Next one, C6H5 is phenyl group. This is N-heptyl group. So common name of this compound is N-heptyl phenyl ether. Next one, this is iso group. 5 carbon is present. So isopentyl phenyl group. So name of this compound is a isopentyl phenyl ether. Phenyl group joined with oxygen, phenoxy, remaining 7 carbon is present. So phenoxyheptane is IUPAC name of this compound. Phenoxyheptane. Phenoxyheptane. Next one is a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is a butyl. Butyl oxygen joined with oxygen, butoxy group. Third position is a 1 methyl group is present. So IUPAC name of this compound is a 3-methyl 1-butoxy benzene. Next one, this is methyl group. This is 1, 2, 3. This is tertiary carbon. So 4 carbon is present. So tertiary butyl. According to alphabetical order, common name of this compound is tertiary butyl methyl ether. IUPAC naming is 1, 2, 3. In second position, 1 methyl group, 1 methoxy group is present. So IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methoxy 2-methyl propane. 2-methoxy 2-methyl 3 carbon is present. So propane. Last one, common name of this compound is, that means in glycol 2 hydrogen is replaced by 2 methyl group. So common name of this compound is a dimethyl glycolate. Dimethyl glycolate. IUPAC name of this compound is 1, 2. That means in one position one of the methoxy group is present. In second position another one methoxy group is present. So 1, 2 dimethoxy ethane is IUPAC name of dimethyl glycolate. Next one is a preparation of ethers. First method, Williamson ether synthesis. This is very important question. This is example for SN2 reaction. When alkyl halide RX is heated with sodium alkoxide to form a ethers. ROR is a general formula for ether. When alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic solution of sodium alkoxide to form a ethers. This reaction is called as a Williamson ether synthesis. Williamson ether synthesis is example for SN2 reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction in order 2. Example, CH3 CH2 Br, CH3ONa, sodium methoxide to form a CH3 CH2O CH3. Name of this compound is ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether. Next one example, CH3 CH2 Br. This is ethyl bromide react with sodium ethoxide to form a diethyl ether. CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3. Name of this compound is a diethyl ether. Preparation of ether, second method. Intermolecular dehydration of alcohol. Example, 2 moles of ethyl alcohol is heated at 413 Kelvin in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Water elimination takes place and formation of ether takes place. CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3. Name of this compound is diethyl ether. Last one method, preparation of ether. Last one method, this is ethyl alcohol. Last one method, when alcohol is heated with diazomethane to form a ethers. CH3 CH2 OH. This is ethanol or ethyl alcohol. React with diazomethane in the presence of fluoroboric acid HbF4 on heating to form a ethyl methyl ether. Name of this compound is ethyl methyl ether. CH3 CH2O CH3. Name of this compound is ethyl methyl ether. Preparation of ethers, three methods is given. First method, Williamson ether synthesis. When alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic solution of sodium alkoxide to form ethers. First example, when ethyl bromide react with sodium methoxide to form a ethyl methyl ether. Second example, when ethyl bromide react with sodium methoxide to form a diethyl ether. Second method, preparation of ether. Second method, intermolecular dehydration of alcohol when ethyl alcohol is heated at 413 Kelvin in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form a diethyl ether. Next one, when ethyl alcohol is heated in the presence of fluoroboric acid with diazomethane to form a ethyl methyl ether. Next one is a chemical properties of ethers. Ethers can be readily undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with hydrogen halide. Example, methoxyethane CH3O CH2 CH3. IUPAC name of this compound is methoxyethane. Common name is ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether. React with hydrogen iodide on heating to form a CH3I. Smallest alkyl group react with halogen to form a alkyl halide and alcohol formation takes place. CH3 CH2 OH. Name of this compound is ethyl alcohol. CH3 is a methyl iodide. Next one, C6H5O CH3. IUPAC name of this compound is methoxybenzene. Common name is, this is methyl, this is phenyl group. So methyl phenyl ether. Methyl phenyl ether. React with hydrogen iodide on heating, undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction to form a C6H5 is a H5OH is a phenol and methyl iodide formation takes place. This is phenol. This is ethanol. Ethanol is a IUPAC name of CH3 CH2OH. This is common name of this compound is ethyl alcohol. IUPAC name is ethanol. CH3I is a methyl iodide. Next one is a auto oxidation reaction. When ethers are stored in a presence of atmospheric oxygen, they undergo oxidation to form a hydroperoxides and dialkyl peroxides. These are explosive in nature. Such spontaneous oxidation of ether by atmospheric oxygen is called as a auto oxidation reaction. Example: CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. This is diethyl ether. This diethyl ether is stored in the presence of oxygen to form a hydroperoxide and dialkyl peroxide. These are explosive in nature. CH3, CH2O, CH. This is hydroperoxide, and another molecule is a diethyl peroxide formation takes place. Name of this compound is diethyl peroxide. These are explosive in nature. The spontaneous oxidation of ethers is called as a auto oxidation reaction. This is also very important. Next one is some important chemical reaction of diethyl ether. First one, CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3, diethyl ether on chlorination in the presence of sunlight. To form a, all 10 hydrogen is replaced by chlorine. So we get CCl3, CCl2, O, CCl2 and CCl3. Hydrogen is replaced by chlorine. Next one, CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. This is diethyl ether. React with phosphorus pentachloride to form a 2 moles of ethyl chloride. CH3, CH2, Cl. This is ethyl chloride and phosphorus oxychloride formation takes place. This is ethyl chloride. Next one, CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. This is diethyl ether. React with dilute sulfuric acid to form a 2 moles of ethanol. CH3, CH2OH. IUPAC name of this compound is ethanol. Last one, diethyl ether react with acetyl chloride. CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3 is diethyl ether. React with acetyl chloride. CH3, CO, Cl in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride to form a ethyl chloride and ester formation takes place. This is ethyl chloride and CH3, COO, C2H5. Ethyl acetate ester formation takes place. CH3, COO, C2H5. This is ethyl acetate ester. Ethyl acetate ester formation takes place. Next one is a aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction of anisole. First one, halogenation. This is anisole. Alkoxy group is a electron donating group. So donate the electron to benzene ring. So electron density of ortho position and para position is more than meta position. So electrophile attack the ortho position and para position. So resulting product is a ortho product or para product. First one electrophilic substitution reaction, halogenation. This is anisole. Anisole react with bromine water in the presence of acetic acid to form a orthobromoanisole and parabromoanisole. This is orthobromoanisole. This is orthobromoanisole. 1, 2. That means 1 and 2nd position is called as a ortho position. So name of this compound is orthobromoanisole and parabromoanisole. 2 isomer is formed. This is anisole. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position is a para position. So one bromine group is present. So para bromo anisole. Para bromo anisole is major product. Ortho bromo anisole is minor product. Next one is a nitration reaction. When anisole react with nitrating agent like con HNO3 and con H2SO4 to form a ortho-nitroanisole and para-nitroanisole. This is ortho-nitroanisole. This is anisole. Ortho position, one of the nitro group is present. So name of this compound is ortho-nitroanisole. And para-nitroanisole formation takes place. This is anisole. This is para position. So nitro group is present. So name of this compound is para-nitroanisole. Nitration reaction. When anisole react with nitrating agent like con HNO3 in the presence of con sulfuric acid to form a ortho-nitroanisole and para-nitroanisole. Ortho-nitroanisole is a minor product and para-nitroanisole is a major product. Last one is a Friedel-Crafts reaction. First one, alkylation reaction. This is anisole. Anisole react with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3 to form a 2-methoxytoluene and 4-methoxytoluene. This is toluene. C6H5CH3 is a toluene. In 1 to 2nd position methoxy group is present. So name of this compound is 2-methoxytoluene. This is minor product and this is toluene OCH3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position is a methoxy group. So methoxy group. So 4-methoxytoluene. This is major product. First one is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. When anisole react with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form a 2-methoxytoluene as a minor product and 4-methoxytoluene is a major product. Last one. Next one is a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Example, anisole. This is anisole. Anisole react with acetyl chloride CH3. COCl is a acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3 to form a ortho product and para product. This is C6H5COCH3 acetophenone 1 to 2nd position is a methoxy group. So name of this compound is a 2-methoxy acetophenone. Next one is a 4-methoxyacetophenone. Acetophenone. Next one is a uses of diethyl ether. First use, it is used as a surgical anesthetic agent for in surgery. Next one is a diethyl ether is used for the solvent and in organic reaction and extraction. Diethyl ether is used for the volatile starting fluid for diesel and gasoline engine. last one, it is used for the refrigerator. Uses of diethyl ether, it is used as a anesthetic reagent. Uses of diethyl ether, it is used as a anesthetic agent, it is used as a solvent, and it is used as a volatile starting fluid for diesel and gasoline engine, and diethyl ether is used for refrigerator. Next one is a uses of anisole. Anisole is used for the synthesis of perfumes and insecticides, pheromones. Next use, it is used as a pharmaceutical agent. Please like this video and share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.